Control room operators in every industry are facing a difficult challenge as they must monitor and manage an ever-increasing number of systems, inputs, and interfaces. Operators have simply too much visual noise jeopardizing their ability to perform at optimal levels. A common and powerful resource used to mitigate this challenge is KVM technology. As valuable as KVM is, operators often struggle with latency while switching from one system to another. If two or more KVM managed devices need to be observed at the same time, then two or more separate displays are required, further aggravating the need for more space. The bottom line, when finding room for one more display becomes the primary objective, operator stress and efficiency has likely reached a dangerous level. There is a solution. The ProXI Workstation Integrator from Portalis can bring new life, capability, and operator performance to your control room. ProXI technology is easy to install and requires no software integration or drivers. You simply connect the desired systems or video sources to the ProXI appliance. This includes KVM receiver workstations or a KVM managed device transmitter. You can connect up to 8 devices per chassis, and by cascading chassis, you can connect a total of 64 devices. Once connected and powered on, your control room environment is transformed. The ProXI interface allows you to simultaneously monitor and manage the connected devices from a single display. Instantly, an overcrowded control room becomes resource-rich and highly manageable. Space constraints are removed, allowing control room design to focus on operator efficiency. From a single or extended display, the operator can simultaneously monitor all systems live. Without having to move to a different keyboard or focus on a different display, the operator can instantly take control of any device with the simple click of a mouse. KVM becomes exponentially more powerful as multiple KVM managed devices can be seen and managed on a single display. The ProXI offering takes KVM integration to an entirely new level of capability by offering the virtual control room. When treating the ProXI appliance as a KVM managed device, the operator can have full control room capability anywhere on the network. By leveraging KVM investments, the ProXI interface gives the operator the same control room experience regardless of location. No longer will your production, security, or manufacturing operators be limited to a singular facility to do their jobs. The ProXI Workstation Integrator is a game-changing technology that brings new life to the control room. Call Portalis today to see how you can extend your existing investments and benefit from ProXI technology.